Hi guys, today I want to teach you guys how to make soap using soda ash. Most people don't know how to apply soda ash when they are making soap. So this is how it is. First of all, you want to dissolve your soda ash in the same water you want to be dissolving your caustic soda. But make sure that your soda ash has properly dissolved before dissolving your caustic soda in that same water. Once you are done, you keep it aside for it to cool down. Then over here is the oils we'll be using. So I'm going to warm these oils on fire. Then once I'm done warming it, I'm going to add my sodium silicate, I'll add my color, and I'll also add my fragrance. This is my soda ash and caustic soda that I had mixed together that first time. I'm going to be adding my color next. You can see this is not hard. I'll add my fragrance and I will stir it very well. Then pour it into my soap mold. If you need this soap mold, you can reach me on WhatsApp to purchase it. We sell this mold and we deliver them nationwide. We have a lot of soap equipment. Reach me on WhatsApp to buy our equipment. So I'll keep this for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, this is how the soap looks like. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop your comments. Goodbye. See you all next time on my latest and newest video coming up this week.